Before you hit submit on your tax return, stop. There are 7 quick things to check first, and skipping them is exactly how people lose a part of their refund. Get a letter from the IRS or overpay. Let's run the checklist. Here's why this matters. Once you file, fixing a mistake means an amended return, a delayed refund, or a notice in the mail. But before you submit, every one of these is free to fix. So take 5 minutes and go through all 7. Number 1, make sure every income form is in, every W-2 and every 1099, including the ones for side gigs, freelance work, and payment apps. The IRS gets a copy of each one and matches it to your return. Miss one and you can get an automated underreporting notice. Number 2, double-check your filing status. This is one of the most common mistakes, especially head of household, which has strict rules. Your status sets your standard deduction and your tax brackets, so the wrong one can cost you real money. Here's where it lives. This is Form 1040, the filing status box right at the top. Single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse. Check the one you actually qualify for. Number 3, check that every name and social security number matches the social security card. You, your spouse, and every dependent. A single typo can get your return rejected or hold up your refund. And make sure no one else has already claimed your dependent. Number 4, compare the standard deduction to itemizing and take whichever is bigger. For 2025 returns, the standard deduction is about $15,750 if you're single and $31,500 married filing jointly. For 2026, it's even higher. Only itemize if your real deductions beat that. Number 5, don't leave credits on the table. The earned income credit, the child tax credit, education credits, and the saver's credit are some of the most missed money on the entire return. And credits cut your tax dollar for dollar, even more valuable than a deduction. Number 6, catch the deductions you don't have to itemize for. Things like student loan interest, IRA, or HSA contributions, and the new tips, overtime, and car loan deductions on Schedule 1A. And if you're self-employed, your mileage, a home office, and self-employed health insurance. And number 7, check your refund details and sign. One wrong digit in your bank routing or account number can delay your refund for weeks. And an unsigned return, or the wrong prior year income figure when you e-file, isn't a valid return at all. So before you hit submit, run the 7. Every income form in, the right filing status, names and numbers that match, the bigger deduction, your credits, your adjustments, and your refund details. 5 minutes now can save you months later. One quick note on who makes this. The tax breakdown is prepared by a tax accountant with over 15 years of public accounting experience, so the rules you're hearing are checked against the IRS sources. Always educational, never advice for your specific situation. The bottom line, filing isn't a race. The few minutes it takes to run this 7-point check can mean a bigger refund, fewer delays, and no surprise letters from the IRS. This is general education, not tax advice, so check with a pro about your situation. Subscribe to the Tax Breakdown for tax rules in plain English.